Hi and welcome back. I'm Alton, as you already know. Now this is going to be a quick one. So this is a 2023 Volvo XC60. This is a recharge. We're going to jump in and I'm simply going to show you how to turn the vehicle on. Of course, a press of the brake and then flip the switch. Jump right in. You can tell the car's unlocked when the mirrors fold out. You have your illumination lighting along your door handle. And just to show you, all this happens because I have the key in my pocket. Pocket, key, key in pocket. Okay, that's just a little joke, but jumping right in. So first thing you're going to do, once you're in the vehicle, you can tell, press the brake and twist. Vehicle is on. There again. Foot on the brake, press brake, and twist knob. Now, to turn everything off, of course, you don't have to take your foot. You can take your foot off the brake. All you have to do now is twist to the right. Of course, you know when it's off because your interior lights come on. So vehicle is now off. That is turning the vehicle on and off inside of your Volvo XC60.